So we have the new Ulta Beauty lip kit by Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm going to be trying it on here on camera and swatch it here for you guys, let you know what I think about the shade. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sylvia. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. I upload every Monday and Thursday. I'm also on social media. Everything is at SilviaMBeauty, so I hope you guys stick around. I'm really excited because this is a new lip kit that is exclusive for Ulta Beauty. I will link it down below. It is available online as well. I don't know if it's gonna sell out or what by the time I upload the video. Hopefully not. Oh, by the way, I just cut my hair, as you guys can see, and it is so short. It feels so weird. I haven't had my hair short like this ever in my life. If you see my other videos, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. My hair was really long. It's pretty short. When I saw my hair on the floor, I was freaking out, but I ended up really liking it. Thank you everyone who has complimented me on Instagram so far. I feel like it's just gonna be so much easier to style my hair. Yeah, I think it's really cute. So the lip kit is $29, just like her other lip kits. It comes with a lip liner and a matte liquid lipstick. So this is in the matte formula. This is the packaging of the Ulta Beauty lip kit. I am pretty curious as to how this looks on my lips. The packaging is just like all her other lip kits, black matte, and then it comes with the lip liner and the matte liquid lipstick. So both are the standard packaging, as you guys can see. I mean, the shade looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the lip liner on the back of my hand. That's pretty. Okay, and the matte liquid lipstick. Ooh, that's very pretty. It does smell like all her other matte liquid lipsticks. Okay, so this definitely looks like a shade that I would really like. I feel like this shade is good for all seasons. Spring, fall, winter, summer. So here is a close-up of the swatches. So what I'm gonna do is apply a little bit of foundation on my lips. Alright, so my lips look pretty nude now. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lip liner. I'm also gonna go ahead and fill in my lips with the lip liner. I do really like the formula of her lip liners because I can use it as a lip liner and a lipstick. Alright guys, so this is just a lip liner by itself, and then I'm gonna apply the liquid lipstick right on top, but this is how the lip liner looks by itself, and I like the shade. Definitely pigmented and it's not going on patchy or anything like that. Alright guys, so this is how the Ulta Beauty lip kit looks on my lips once it's already dried down. Once it's dried down, I really like how it looks because it lines up a little bit, but I really like the shade a lot. It does have a little bit of the pink undertones in there, and I really like that a lot. Yeah, it's super pigmented. It is the matte formula, so it feels a little drying, but you can apply lip gloss on top if you want to. And her matte liquid lipsticks do last a pretty long time, even when you eat or throughout the day. It's not giving me like those butthole lips, like, you know, when you have like a line like around your mouth. So this is a really good one. I'm glad I bought this one, and it is exclusive to Ulta Beauty, so it is only sold at Ulta Beauty. It's not on the Kylie Cosmetics website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about the new Ulta Beauty lip kit from Kylie Cosmetics in the comment section down below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.